In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email campaign in Mautic. Start by opening your Mautic login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the campaigns area in the main menu and open it. Here, create a new campaign. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it later, and add a short description to capture the goal or audience for quick reference. Save your changes to create the campaign shell. Next, launch the campaign builder. This is where you'll define who enters the campaign and what happens to them. First, choose your contact source. You can feed contacts from a campaign forum, great for capturing new leads, or from existing contact segments if you've already grouped your audience. For this walkthrough, we'll use an example event. Click link in any SMS. Select that option, then add it to the canvas. This tells Mautic which contacts should enter the flow based on their behavior. With the source in place, click the plus icon to add the next step. You'll be prompted to pick a decision, an action, or a condition. Since we want to send an email, choose action, then select send email. At the bottom, this opens the event configuration. Enter an internal name for this email action so it's easy to identify in your campaign map. Choose when to execute it. Immediately is a good default for direct follow-ups, but you can also schedule delays if needed. Next, pick the actual email you want to send from your library using the dropdown. If you haven't created the email yet, consider preparing it beforehand with the right subject line, sender details, and content so it's ready to select here. Set the email type. Transactional is typically used for one-to-one or operational messages, while marketing is for promotional or bulk messages that respect unsubscribed preferences. Choose the priority level to help Mautic determine send order if multiple events stack up. Then configure the number of attempts. This is your retry logic in case of temporary delivery issues, which can improve reliability without manual intervention. When those fields look good, click Add to place the action on your campaign canvas. From here, you can continue building by adding more actions, decisions, or conditions to tailor the journey, or simply click Save to store the campaign as it is. Saving ensures your setup is preserved, and you can always return to refine it as your strategy evolves. That's it. Your email campaign is set up in Mautic and ready for further customization or launch.